Welcome to Quick Solution. Today I'm going to show you how to delete recently played on Spotify. So the first thing you'll have to do is open the App Store, search for Spotify, and you'll have to make sure that you have the latest version of the app installed. So right here, if instead of this open button you will see the update button, just go forward and update your application to the latest version. After that, let's just go forward and open the Spotify app right here. And then at the top right corner you will see that there is an icon with a gear. Let's tap that icon right here, and you'll have to scroll down and look for an option which is called social, and let's tap on that. But as you can see, the list of the options are right here, so if you see these options, you will not have to tap that option right there. So you'll have this option where it says recently played artists and show my recently played artist on my public profile. So you're going to toggle off that option. If that option is toggled on, you'll have to toggle off that option. And right here you have this private session option where it says temporarily hide your listening activity from your followers. So if this option is off, you have to toggle on that option right here. After that, if you go to your settings device and scroll down until you find apps, right here you'll have to search for Spotify, and then you'll have to select the storage option and clear data and cache of the application. So this is all for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.